This is the Shockwave, a double-loop roller coaster located at Six Flags Over Texas. Built in April 1978, when first opened at its time was the world's tallest roller coaster in the world, with a height of 116 feet, max speed of 60 miles per hour, and G-forces reaching 5.9 Gs. You like that?
66 minutes. My eyelash is still on. Why do you ask now?
Thanks for watching. And while we are a haunted house YouTube channel, we do love thrill rides and attractions. So please check out our other videos and like and subscribe to our channel for more roller coasters and horror themed videos.